Howdy guys, this is Shane. I'm a little bit sick right now, so apologies for my voice. It probably sounds a little bit different to how it does normally. Now, Panasonic finally released their new updates to the GH5, GH5S and G9. So the firmware updates are out. I've got it installed and I'm actually shooting in face detection mode in autofocus. So I'm gonna see how this works and I'm gonna have it on the entire time I'm shooting this video, and hopefully it doesn't pulse or do anything weird. Now, I'm going to also say that unfortunately there's no update for the G85. I would have loved to have seen that, but we're going to go ahead and test the autofocus just quickly here. I'll put something up to the camera. It looks like it snapped onto that pretty quick, and it's back on my face, at least I hope so, and we'll find out in editing. I'm not going to do anything to this video other than just show you how it performs. So I'll get up close so you can see all of my wrinkles and red eyes, and then we'll get back and we'll see. Hopefully it worked. I can't really see from here. So yeah, there's the G85 in front of the camera. Looks like it's having some trouble. Oh, there we go, it worked. And yeah, let's go back off. There we go. So it looks like it works okay. Hopefully it tracks all right as well. Now, I never use this mode when I use this camera normally, so hopefully the firmware's fixed a lot of the bugs. I'm sure there'll be plenty of tests coming up comparing the new firmware to the old firmware. I just like to update it as I go, and from what I can see, at least on this little screen, on the LCD screen, it looks like it might actually be working a little bit better. But I guess we'll find out in editing. If not, I'll leave some notes on the screen. Thanks again for watching, and I'll post all the links through to where you can get this firmware in the description below. Thanks again. Catch you soon.